What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dark Python, and today I'm going to be playing Devil's Roulette. By the way, for those of you who don't know what this is, I'm pretty sure it's just like a VR version of Buckshot Roulette. Like that old game where you have a shotgun and there's like this creepy looking guy. So on the other side of the table. But yeah, I just want to say real quick, there is a little bit of blood in this game. Not like a lot of gore or anything. So I'm just warning you, just so that way, like, you know, those of you who have never played this game before or even heard of it. And I have to say that just to make sure that YouTube, like, I'm not sure if YouTube's okay with me playing with this for a video, but I'll just hope that they're okay with it, because, like, I've actually been waiting to do a video on this. So let's just get into it. There might be like a mild language stuff, so, or like some foul language. Just be prepared for that. And also, of course, there's weapons in this game too, so you got a little popcorn bucket. So, I mean, I have a cow avatar, but I don't really want to use that one. I like this one better. Yeah, it is a little difficult to get into a lobby, to get into a game. I'm just gonna play regular Devil's Roulette. I'm just gonna play some Russian roulette in this. I'll try the other ones after. But yeah, do not play this game in real life. Do not play Russian roulette in real life, because like it is a very dangerous. Can you stop throwing up on me? Anyway, so this is not really the. I don't know if YouTube's going to be okay with this though. I'm just gonna hope that they are. YouTube, if you're watching this, like, people who decide which videos are on stuff, I just want you to know. Sorry, this video is okay for YouTube, but if it is, just keep the video up.
Bro.
For some reason, I cannot get into a round, like a match at all. It's so difficult to get into a match in this. That's the one downside in this game. It's like it's hard to get into a match.
Pink monkey.
Hello.
Pink monkey. We found the pink
Just ignore everyone. Yes, finally.
What, you're talking about me?
Finally. Okay, let's do this.
What are you?
I can clap.
Yeah, well.
That was pretty fun.
Who hit the jackpot?
Want some?
Now I have to restart the game because I got
Well, hold on. Stand still real quick. I'm tossing it in your mouth.
Oh, bring it back.
I did it. Never mind. Did.
I missed. Okay, 3 people is not that bad. Alright, let's get into it. What's up?
My honors, mate. My brother's over there just to let you know. I'll be meditating. Oh, my honors.
This is basically just Buckshot Roulette.
Need to do a little lucky flip.
Why is there just a skull over there?
Yeah, there are multiple ones. Probably because of that. Look over there.
Oh. Didn't even see that. How did I see the skull, but I did not see the boat?
I don't know. I'm chill with you. Why did I put that on? No, he hasn't. It's gonna be a false, I know. Is my head small or big? Is it small or big? Is my head small or big? Is my head small or big? Big or small? Is my head big or small? Small. Huh.
Oh no.
Hey, you want some beer?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, but now you only have one life, by the way.
Yeah, you're pretty much
So
done.
for ours, the
I'm
bullets are
going to
big.
aim for you. You do realize that, right?
If it's a bullet, here, I'll blind him. I'll blind him. I use the blinding emotion.
Haha.
Did you realize the coconut do extra damage? If you shoot the coconut, it do extra damage. It could heal or... That was a healing one, by the way. 2 grabbers.
Now you have one.
Wait, should I steal one of his grabbers and grab that? Would that be a good idea or a bad idea? It don't matter if you steal one of mine.
2 light rounds, 2 blink rounds. Oh, it's 50-50 chance of this one.
I know what you were thinking. Yeah, but now you just wasted both of them.
Oh, you're dead.
Yo, I will let you have one of mine. You can have one of mine.
You're so nice.
There.
Not even a small head can save you.
You probably... Oh, there it is, though.
Which one's gonna...
Oh. By the way, they could be healing or non-healing. It do extra damage if you shoot a coconut.
Huh.
You're dumb enough to just, like, shoot me?
Yes,
Shoot
I...
a coconut, take away 2 hearts.
Oh, that's why people shoot coconuts so good.
Oh, look. I'm gonna drink this. Little lucky flip now. Imagine you just look at the song and you just see that. Boom.
That's a little disturbing.
Buddy, you don't need to worry. I'm just gonna talk. Boom. Mine now. Well, thank you for letting me know it's gonna be it.
It is
I
almost
think the green ones are healing, and the other ones are not.
hot.
So I would aim at the green one for you, okay? It's the healing one.
No. Good. Why is it not going after you?
Over here where I'm. You need to shoot one of them coconuts, not like that.
Oh, in that case.
Like, oh, I landed on the coconut. That was crazy.
Why did I flinch?
Won it.
Oh, come on.
I got him. I got him. Thank you.
Dude.
Thank you. Now it's gonna be me too. Stupid. Stupid.
Wait, hold on. Let's do odd or even. Let's do odd or
Doesn't
even.
matter.
Let's do odd or even. Okay. Let's do odd or even. No, let's odd or even.
Okay.
Odd or.
Do it. I dare you.
I'm gonna
I don't even know
choose
this.
even. Oh, come on.
I'm gonna friend you synchronize.
Alright, yes, good game. Well, I thought I had him. Oh wait, this is a game where it's hard to trust your friends, especially when they have the ability, especially when they have that thing that allows you to see if it's a blank or not. And yeah, honestly, it is super hard to trust people in this game. Some people might just know it's a blank, or like most people just like aim at one of their friends or something. I mean, the dice and the coins are there for like heads or tails or odd or even or things like that. Why is my thing not loading? Clicking a bunch of buttons. There we go. Oh, 50. Probably try double spoons. Why does it take so long for these things to... That's terrifying. Imagine just seeing this side of your bed, like when you wake up. Let's see if I can make it into one of his eye sockets. Stop. Stop trying to throw it high, you missed. does not work. I'm
Bro, I just found the perfect thing. Where's the flash deal?
Yeah, real quick. How do I join the table? So I'm clicking.
You wanna know how to join the table?
Yeah, it's like
You wanna know how to join the table?
no, like over here. These
come
things.
here,
It's
come
like
here, follow me.
I keep clicking.
You just click join. You have a remote, and if you're already on a table, just,
Oh, it doesn't say join.
yeah.
I don't see join anywhere.
Wait, am I on the table right? Oh. That's me. Leave.
So,
Leave. Leave.
and I just lost a lot. Yes. Finally.
This map. Well, the creator of this world. Who's asking? Oh, I want popcorn.
The only place we can go is these.
It says put this
I have an idea.
I'll shoot you. Like,
I thought it
can I
was...
shoot you?
No.
So, I can't shoot nobody. We'll
Hey,
shoot
can you
somebody.
take this card?
Oh well, goodbye. Okay, so do I shoot? I'll just take that off the table. Wait, my gun. I don't need the gun.
Well,
What am I supposed to do?
no.
I want.
Alfie took it upstairs.
Wait. Next.
Do we need to play cards in order to grab a bullet?
My gun.
Or do I have to press it?
Bad sheep. I hate the sheep. I hate
Finally.
speaker. Run.
Also, I'm just passing around a random card.
Fame.
I don't even know what we're doing. Oh. I'm a little nervous right now because, like, this reminds me of Squid Games. So I remember, like, the Russian roulette table? In that one episode.
Guys, how do we play?
Just grab a random card and pass it along.
Bro, I'm gonna get bored. just doing cards and stuff like that. Ooh. What is?
Is everyone putting a card down or not?
No. Cause brother's playing a game for him. Bro. What? Oh.
Down ace.
Wait.
Oh, I keep forgetting about that.
Okay, there you go. I put a card down. It's pointing an arrow.
Is this like some Spider-Man show-off? Are we recreating that Spider-Man thing?
You shoot it at me, I shoot it at him, you shoot it at him, and then you shoot
Well, actually, that wouldn't work because if you shoot him, then he wouldn't be able to shoot him, and then he wouldn't be able to shoot me. And that I wouldn't, and then I would shoot you.
Nope.
So both of you guys would die, and we would live.
What if we shoot all at the exact same time?
Then it'd still be the same circumstance.
Hey guys, look at this.
Guys, bro, I put a card down, yeah?
Press a card. I did press a card.
Why not we grabbing a bullet?
Bro.
Oh, guys, time.
Oh my fucking god.
I'm just kidding.
You.
Kidding. Oh, there's no way I just got you.
No. Ew. I wanna ew.
Hey, Mom. Pass the card. Pass the card.
Oh, grab a bullet.
Did you grab a bullet?
Grab one. Almost got him.
Flips.
I almost got him. Oh, it's time to grab a bullet. Oh, it's time to grab one.
Pretty basic.
Grab one.
Got it. Why is there one next to me? There's just one next to me.
I just got him out.
Where's...
Alright, guys, stop grabbing the bullets. Clearly, you cannot pick him up until it says.
Wait, press.
I just wanted to get him out so it'd be easier.
Yeah. Look at that gun.
I did not think you'd fall for that 4 times, though.
Try to grab the bullets and you die.
You can't.
Well,
I did not think you would fall for that 4th time.
he died. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. I want to pull a trigger. Okay, I don't care.
What's popcorn?
I don't care, Jordan. Yep. Did they even read the instructions? Press a card. Okay, I'm pressing a card. Put.
Oh, grab a bullet.
Boo.
Oh, it's time to grab one. It's time to grab one. So close. Grab a bullet, grab a bullet.
Chuck it. If I get a 1, I'll grab a bullet and die.
Oh, it's time to grab one. Time to grab one.
Just press a card.
Grab a bullet. I'm good.
Bro, what is this?
Oh, time grabbing, time grabbing. Grab a bullet. Grab a bullet and you can shoot me. I grab a bullet and you can shoot me. Hold on, it said grab a bullet. Things say...
So weird. Dead.
And I win. Done.
Good job, I guess.
By the way, this name, Meta just randomly gave to me. I put in my YouTube name, stuff. I put in that username, but it gave me a random one instead. I'm just gonna go somewhere
My
else.
fin is right there. Like, my fin is actually right there. In real life.
371.
Go gambling with me!
So I'm gonna do this real quick.
La 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 la
And
la
try this
la
out.
la la. God damn it.
Is anybody gambling? Y'all gamblers?
I'm just gonna go to a real quick. Okay, that was Devil's Roulette. I know I only played this and Devil's Spoons, but yeah, I mean, I could do like more videos on this game, so I could do like Devil's Bluff, Spin the Bottle, Duel. There's other games I can try, but yeah, I'm just gonna stick with this one right now. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and comment any video ideas you have for like VR games, or pretty much like any videos you guys want to see. Like any videos you guys want to see me make, like parodies or something. Things like that. Like gaming.
Oh, a
any
YouTuber,
videos like
a
that.
YouTuber.
And yeah, that was Devil's Roulette. Hope y'all enjoyed. Dark Python out.